Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix your Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus overheating. First of all, open Galaxy Store on your smartphone. Then find and download the GoodGuardians application. Here it is. Tap install and wait until this application is installed on your smartphone. Once it is, open it. Tap get started. Install. Allow it to use notifications. Then go to settings, switch the toggle to the right next to allow notifications. And now here we have the Thermal Guardian. Let's install it and open it. Okay. And now decrease the thermal threshold. As you can see, the thermal threshold will be decreased 1 degree Celsius from default. Tap apply, and you can decrease at most 2 degrees Celsius. And that's it, basically. In additional settings, you can also limit CPU boosting when heating, decrease maximum brightness when heating, apply standard motion smoothness, or turn off 5G in the data if turn off 5G if the data usage is low when screen on to prevent overheating. Just select the settings that you want to and then tap apply. As some additional tips, keep your device in a well-ventilated area. Now, if it overheats, you can temporarily remove the case from your phone, and try avoiding playing games or using your device for long periods of time when it's charging. Basically, try avoiding using your phone at all while charging. But if you need to, then either unplug your device from the charging cable, or just don't abuse don't abuse your device when it's charging. So that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.